Turning your home into a smart home does not have to be complicated or expensive. With the right approach, you can add smart products that make daily life easier, safer, and more efficient. Start by thinking about what you want to improve. Many people begin with smart speakers or smart displays because they let you control other devices using simple voice commands. You can play music, set reminders, or check the weather hands-free. Smart lighting is another easy upgrade. Smart bulbs and switches let you control lights from your phone or set schedules so lights turn on and off automatically. This helps save energy and adds convenience, especially when you are away from home. For comfort and savings, consider a smart thermostat. It learns your routine and adjusts the temperature to keep your home comfortable while reducing energy costs. Security is also a popular reason to go smart. Smart doorbells, cameras, and locks let you monitor your home remotely and get alerts if something unusual happens. Before buying anything, make sure your devices work together and connect to the same system. Start small, test what works for you, and add more over time. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit Movers.com, and also you can email us at contact@movers.com or call us at 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.